like the boombox, like holding like this. Yo, if I play the song like that. Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel again. It's a buddy technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check another small party speaker. This is not very big, like a little more than 1 foot tall, height you can see. So this is from ZEBRONICS, and that's the model number, Barrel 90. That's the model. So it is having 2 speaker drivers, 3-inch woofers. So that's a nice one. So let's open it up and check it out. So here you get this QR code for user manual. You didn't need user manual for a simple party speaker. And this oh, that's a nice one. This is like USB B to USB A type, and with the aux cable in the same card. So that's it, and this is the speaker. Beautiful. So that's the one, cylinder kind of thing, which is very nice, and you get a carry handle at the back side, and not very weighty, very, you can say, lightweight. According to the small 3-inch woofer, the weight is quite good, and the build quality is okay, not very sturdy, but okay. The good thing is that the build quality, you can carry it anywhere outside, outdoor activities, music, party, campfire, something like that. So you can use the speaker outside. So for that, this thing is quite sturdy enough. And here at the front, you can see the metal grill, and 2 speaker drivers are there, 3-inch woofers with RGB lights on it. So at the top here, get the display here, and buttons, input, output, everything is there, total control at the top. And here you get this space to hold your mobile right here. And at the back, nothing else, the ZEBRONICS logo and the model number is written here. So that's it. It's like bigger stone kind of thing. So I like that. So now let's turn this thing on and test how it works, the sound quality and all, which is very important because this is a speaker driver, not a stone to throw on someone.
ZEBRONICS, always ahead. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, so here at the top you get the display here, and that's the RGB lights. Nice, I like that. So now let's connect this thing to my mobile phone.
ZEB Barrel 90 is now connected.
Wow, it's connected. So now let's play some songs and check out the sound.
That's when I listen. Music is the reason why I stay. A cheery melody will fix a melancholic heart. The music is the reason. The music is the reason why I stay. To build a fence. That's when I need tunes to keep them living, like someone's listening. I see the signs when I seek for the lights. I know it's bad when I forget myself. Lately music's been my self-reminder. Music is the reason why I stay.
Right, so you heard the sound. It's quite good, and bass is also there, not the very hardy deep bass, but good amount of bass is there, and I really like it. And the voice is what to say, very clear, so it would be very good when you are watching movies or like listening to news or anything like that. For that thing it will be very useful, as the vocal is very clear. But all the music, the highs and the lows, they're all mixed up quite good, so very good for listening music, and loud enough, I must say, loud enough, so easily you can use it outside. And another thing is that if you use it outside, like campfire or something like that, and you're using a projector or like a bigger tablet or something, you're watching something, and you can use the speaker. Everyone there would be able to listen to the sound nicely, so that's very useful thing. And I really like the design and the handle and the features till now. So battery backup, it is saying up to 4 hours, which is not bad, but not very good, I must say, but not bad either. So overall this is a good speaker. So let's check some more songs. In this song it was having kind of deep bass, so in the matter of bass this is quite good enough, not like the boat one that I have checked before, but pretty good. So this is a good option, a budget option for small party and for outdoor activities and all. And definitely I'm gonna take it to my next outing, where I'm gonna go. Well, I have another channel about travel and all, so you can check that out too. You'll find the link in the description below. Go there and check that out. And other channel about study, you can check that out too. You'll find the link in the description. So I'm gonna take it to my next trip to some place. So the price of this thing was around 900, and you might get this thing cheaper sometimes on sale or something like that. So for that much price, this is a very good thing and I like it. So that's it. This was the unboxing and testing video of this ZEBRONICS Barrel 90 mini party speaker. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to donate something to my channel, you'll find the payment link in the description below. You can donate whatever you want, whatever you like. It's all up to you. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.